This outstanding Chef Collection single oven from Samsung is the perfect choice if you want innovative technology to help you create beautiful dishes. It has an A+ energy rating and a large 73-litre capacity, which means there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunction oven with great functions including a grill and defrost setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Samsung's innovative Gourmet Vapour Technology uses hot steam to enhance the taste and texture of your food. Just fill up the small tank at the top of the oven and select the program. The oven will then circulate hot steam throughout the cavity, quickly and evenly transferring heat and moisture for incredible results. So, whether it's fresh bread or a succulent roast, you'll be able to impress your family and friends with delicious dishes. The Pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Before the program begins, the oven door will lock automatically for your safety. The temperature is then raised to around 500 degrees for up to 2 hours and burns away any food residue. Once the process is complete, all it takes is a simple wipe with a cloth to take care of any remaining ash. This means you'll save money on expensive cleaning products and spend less time cleaning the oven. If you're looking for a model with innovative features to help you create beautiful meals, this outstanding Chef Collection single oven from Samsung is the perfect choice.